Welcome to our journey into the fascinating world of mushrooms. Mushrooms are a type of fungus with a rich diversity of species. Mushrooms can be found in many habitats, growing on the forest floor, logs, and sometimes even appearing overnight in gardens. Historically, mushrooms have been used for food, medicine, and even in spiritual practices across cultures worldwide. There are thousands of mushroom species, but they can broadly be categorized into edible, medicinal, and toxic types. Edible mushrooms like button, shiitake, and portobello are popular in cuisines worldwide due to their flavor and nutritional value. Medicinal mushrooms such as reishi and turkey tail are believed to have health benefits and are used in traditional medicine. Some mushrooms can be highly toxic, like the deadly Amanita species, and should be avoided in the wild. Growing mushrooms at home can be a rewarding hobby. It involves choosing the right substrate and maintaining proper humidity and temperature. Mushrooms can be grown on a variety of substrates, including straw, wood chips, and even coffee grounds. Once inoculated, patience is key, as it can take weeks to months for mushrooms to fully develop. Mushrooms play a critical role in ecosystems, primarily as decomposers breaking down organic matter. Some mushrooms form symbiotic relationships with trees, aiding in nutrient uptake and soil health. Fungi can also indicate ecosystem health, appearing more frequently in biodiverse and balanced environments. Did you know the largest living organism is a fungus? The honey fungus spreads across 2.4 miles in Oregon. Bioluminescent mushrooms glow in the dark and can be found in tropical and subtropical forests. In ancient Egypt, mushrooms were considered a food of royalty, reserved only for the pharaohs. Mushrooms are not only fascinating, but crucial to natural processes and human use. From food to medicine, their contributions are immense. Next time you see a mushroom, remember its place in the ecosystem and the hidden power it holds beneath the surface.